This is a little farm I had in Korea. Actually, I rented in Korea. So these are types of lettuce. Like we have 10 kinds. She's doing the harvesting, so these parts already harvesting is done. And this is tomato. And this is called 깻잎. It's Korean specific leaf which we eat with samgyeopsal. So actually we rented this place, the whole lane. It's about 80 US dollar per like 6 months that we can use this land, which is owned by this owner of the campsite. And approximately there are about like 10 or 12 of them in one big site. So my neighbors harvesting a lot of different things. They have watermelon here, like a lot of things. And you see these big corns. They'll be fully grown within a month or two. So it's a very good experience this campsite is providing to the city people who have never seen these kind of nature before. So actually this is my first time experiencing harvesting or even seeding these kinds of plants. So it's good for the education.